Hello, welcome to Olaf-y Toys. We're building another one of the new Frozen 2 sets today. This one is one of the ones that are aimed at 4+, so it means it's nice and easy to build, but that doesn't mean it doesn't come with lots and lots of fun things. It means we can get in really quickly and can start playing with it. I still have no idea what the story is going on here, but this has got Anna in it, and it's got Anna in a brand new outfit, which is really awesome. It's like 3/4 length skirt with bronze embellishments on it and on her boots as well, and she's got a scarf around her waist, which you can see wrapped around on the top there. She's got a yellow neck and neckline, which is interesting, but that's okay because it's going to be covered by her head, right? And by this cape. Her cape is great. Her cape has got pink on one side and purple on the other side. It's so lovely. And it's got like little rips out of the bottom. I think that's just part of the design though. I'm not certain that it's supposed to be looking tatty. I think that's just the design. Now, Anna now has got turquoise coloured eyes and a brand new hairpiece. I am so looking forward to seeing this hairpiece in other colours too, because I think it's really pretty. And I like the fact that instead of having the same colour eyes as Elsa, she now has got the correct colour eyes, what she's supposed to have in the movies. So this is good. Anna looks fantastic, but even better is that she's joined by Olaf, who actually now gets his own little body with little arms, like proper mini doll arms. Look, and they're as long as his body, like they almost touch the ground. And he's got a hole over his first little coal button, so maybe you could put a bow there because he'd love that. And he's got his carrot nose. So this is very cool. Got a whole new outfit, a new look for Anna, plus Olaf gets his own little cute body. Okay, but this, did I actually mention what this was called? I actually forgot to say what this actual set was called. This set is called Anna's Canoe Expedition, and I have no idea what is going on her canoe expedition, but currently we are building her canoe, which looks like it, is it, once again, making this stuff up because I don't know what's happening in the movie. It looks like it's been made by Elsa because it's very icy, and there's a spot here for Olaf to sit on. I just love his new look. He's so much better now as a proper little minifig. It's so cute. But do you agree? Doesn't this canoe look as though it has been made out of snow and ice? I mean, there's even a crystal on the back. So I don't know whether this canoe has been made by Elsa for Anna to go off on her canoe expedition, or whether Anna has decided that she's just going to steal this to go off and do whatever it is that she needs to be doing, or whether this is just what canoes look like in Arendelle. Maybe they do. It's got a really cute lantern on the back too. So this is cool. It is so cool. Now, she's got her canoe to head off on the expedition. Not so sure where she's going on her expedition. But this piece here is just beautiful. It's printed with birch trees and autumnal colours, and I want a whole row of these to make a backdrop. I think it's just perfect. And I love the yellow foliage too, or orange foliage. It's just, the colours in this just are lovely. They're so pretty. So moving back to what this expedition might be, still have no clues really, apart from the fact it's taking place in autumn in a birch tree forest. That's all I got. That's it. But this here has to be a hint. This guy here, according to the Lego description, is a sleeping earth giant. So he's asleep, but he's not going to be asleep for very long because I think there's a seesaw in front of his face. So is that going to wake up the earth giant? It might do. And oh, I just noticed that little rounded green bit over the top is like moss on the top. That is an incredibly steep seesaw. It's a very seesaw. It's really steep. We're up to bag number 2. It's so steep we actually knocked Olaf off. That's not actually a very sturdy construction there for Olaf. Okay, so over here we have some printed water pieces. This looks like we've got a pretty strong current going here, which the ice canoe can go over. That is so gorgeous, that ice canoe. But okay, so a watery, streamy thing might be like rapids. You can actually stick her on there because there are studs on the top. So she's not going to go anywhere. She's stuck in the middle. Maybe she just gets stuck in the middle. I don't know. I have no idea. I need to stop making it up, because some of you will watch this after the movie's actually been released and then you go, Ellie, seriously, what were you talking about? This is obviously the bit where this happened. But you have to remember, I am talking about this on the 13th of October 2019, when it hasn't been released anywhere in the world and nobody knows what's going on. I do know that we've just created some very nice autumnal coloured steps with a slide, and the slide actually goes down into the water, so that'll be a really fun slide for Olaf because he likes things that are cold. Or we can use it as a quick getaway, like Olaf has to go down the slide so they can go really fast. Or maybe he has to intercept Anna and try and stop her as she's going through the rapids. Once again, no idea what's happening. But I do know that the slide is in the middle of rocks, like a little mountainy outcrop, and the green over the top is like a mossy top on those rocks. They're so pretty. Okay, we have got a hinged piece of pink foliage here to go. Okay, so that's going to just be a little bit of Action Jackson here when she goes through with the canoe. A little bit of token foliage, and there's a bunny. I hope there's a bunny in the movie, and this isn't just some random bunny that's been shoved in the set. Though bunnies are always cute, so I can never say no to a random bunny being shoved in the set. Especially when we get a nice little orange foliagey things to put in here. And there's an extra carrot for Olaf's nose, so the bunny doesn't have to actually nibble on Olaf's nose. Yeah, you can nibble on this. I could actually put this in your little orange, little orange plant there. I was going to say flower, it's not really a flower. Okay, but maybe the bunny is Olaf's best friend out here in the birch tree forest. They can go seesawing while Anna can go and do whatever she has to do. There's a little stud here in the back. I'm not sure, maybe Olaf has to hide back here? It's like a little hiding position. Really wish I had some idea of what's going on, but it's such a pretty set. The colours in it are really cute, and the bunny's really cute. The bunny can go down here. Oh, hold on, bunny might want to go in behind. They can head off on their expedition, or maybe this is where they are actually heading to for their expedition. We could go through this way. I don't think that's how it's designed to go, but you know that never stops me. We could go down this way and through the forest and then back over the river and then off on to wherever they're going next. So, like I said, no idea what's going on, but Anna has got a fantastic new outfit. Olaf is looking so cute. And there's an ice canoe, so what else do we really want? Okay, I will be building the rest of the Frozen 2 sets, as well as many other things will be going on in the channel, so make sure you subscribe, make sure you click like, leave me a comment, let me know what you think of the Frozen set so far, and I will be back with a new video very, very soon. So I'll see you then. Bye!